अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। टुडे वी हैव लर्न हाउ वी कैन remote desktop connection, how we can establish, how we can set up remote desktop connections. So there are some basic steps, so we will follow these steps, then we will make it enable. So the first step is, let me share here. The first step is IP address. We have to find the IP address. The second step is we have to set up user and password. And the third setting is we have to make some changes in remote desktop settings. And fourth and final step is we will go to control panel, and we will add and we will make, and we will allow, and we will make some checks on settings. So here we go. So for first step, we have how we can check the IP address. So look here in your search bar, write run, run, and click and write here cmd. Okay, and right here ipconfig, ipconfig. Then our IP address will be here. This will be our IP address, this one. So this IP address we will use when we log in. Okay, now we will move to the second steps. Second step is we will set up user and password. So we will go to control panel, and make it a large icon, make it a category, and look here user. So I have already add the user account. So you may have add your user here, and you will add your password as well. And now we will move to our third step. Third step is remote desktop settings. So go to your setting search bar, and right here remote desktop settings, remote desktop settings. Sorry, remote. Yes, we are here. Remote desktop settings. We will check on settings. Yes, this one. We will click on it, and look here. We will enable. This is basically off, so we will make it enable. We will click here. It will be enable, and now we will move our last steps. Last step is we will allow an app through window. You may write the same wording in search bar. Click on settings. Yes, this one. Allow an app through window. You will click here, make it, and scroll down. You will have to see, scroll down. You will have to see remote desktop. Yes, remote desktop connection, remote desktop connection, and remote desktop WebSocket. You will check here in on both you will check. I will explain again: remote desktop and remote desktop WebSocket. Now you will click on OK. Now all we have done. Now we will apply our rules and our settings, how they are work or not. So we will type here remote desktop. Yes, remote desktop. I have already copied my IP address. I will put here. Sorry, just seconds. Yes, just seconds. Let me copy my IP address, and now we will move to remote desktop settings, remote desktop connection, and we will put my IP address. Now I will try to log in. Oh, it may have some errors. Let me fix that. This is the process. So how can we establish? So let me fix the error. So I think it will work with you. So keep it up, keep it rising. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video. Take care. Allah.